Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's video, as you guys can see, we're doing a natural hair wash day routine video. This is going to be my second video. I'll be sharing a natural wash day with you guys. I'm gonna put a link to the first one down below, but don't rush to go and watch it, okay? So as you guys can see, I've got like, you know, a bit of a fro going on and the hair is growing pretty nicely. That's really cool and it's really full. But anyway, let's just jump into it. Okay, so first I'm going to detangle and treat my hair. Basically, to detangle it, I am going to part my hair into 4 sections. So also I only just took the cornrow out a few minutes before I came on video, you know, for you guys. My hair is mainly there, it's always in cornrows, to be honest. Actually, most of the time it's in cornrows, that's what I should say. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray my hair. This way it'll be easier for me to detangle with a white tooth comb, and I'm gonna put a towel over my shoulder in a second because the water kept drip really drop onto my shoulder and anybody want that. Okay, so I'm gonna spray the roots of my hair and the ends of my hair. I'm gonna try as much as possible to detangle it with my fingers first, and I'm gonna with a white tooth comb, and I'm gonna comb it out from root to tip, you know, gently. This way all the detangles, you know, all the what am I saying, this way all the tangles are out of my hair, you know, and I don't have to worry about it as I treat it. Okay, so now to treat it, I am using this repair mask. This is an intense deep hydrating repair mask for damaged hair. This is done by Sky. Sky is an Australian brand, but I believe they do ship worldwide. I'm going to put their link down below. I really do like this, and that's the main thing I've been using to wash my hair over the past few months, and I have washed my hair about 3 times since I got this, and I really like how it smells. So I'm basically going to saturate my hair with this repair mask, and you know, just really gonna work it in there, make sure it's nice and saturated, but I mainly focus on the root of my hair, you know, because the root is more important to me. Okay, so I focus on it, and then I'm gonna mix it with water to kind of like, you know, give each section a really nice even coat. This is not the way the brand wants us to use the you know, repair mask, but I actually found that this really works for my hair's texture and my hair type. When I do this, my hair just feels really soft, you know, very soft. And throughout this whole process, I kept losing the nails, you know. I kept I kept losing nails, man. So anyway, so as I, you know, coat my hair with this repair mask, I'm gonna comb it through with the white tooth comb and my finger as well, making sure like the conditioner is really like, you know, in my hair. You know, I'm gonna massage it into my scalp with the tip of my finger like so, and just massage it into my scalp. I feel like my wash day routine is quite simple, but it can be a little bit tedious as well, because I try to pay as much attention to the process as I can, because I only wash my hair once every couple of months. Look at that shrinkage, yo. Shrinkage is real, babes. Okay, let's just finish it. Ooh, look at me looking like a sexy old woman. It looks like I've got gray hair, you know. I really like the way my hair looks when it's coated with you know, conditioner. By the way, I was watching a TV show, so if you see some weird expression, that's because I was shocked by what's happening in a TV show. So as you guys can see, the hair is nicely coated with the repair mask, like very nicely coated, and that's what I want. So now, yes, I'm going there. I'm grabbing a plastic bag, using it to cover my hair. I don't buy shower cap because I don't find the need for it. Okay, so I just use a plastic wrap, and I'm gonna leave it in place for about 30 minutes. Now we wash. I'm using both the moisture shampoo and the moisture conditioner by Sky. I really like these two products because it includes really nice natural ingredients such as argan oil, macadamia oil, lavender extract, peppermint leaf, like the things that are really good for your hair, you know. So I just basically combine both shampoo and conditioner. I don't really need to do much at this point because I've already, like, you know, intensely like deep conditioned my hair with the repair mask. So I just combine the shampoo and the conditioner together and just wash my hair with it. And now another casualty. We've lost another nail. Okay, so now that my hair is washed and the conditioner shampoo is rinsed off, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this argan oil serum by Sky as well. You know, I'm gonna apply this on my hair, and I really, gosh, all these products just smell so nice, and it really makes wash day routine, it really makes wash day more enjoyable, you know. So now I'm going with another argan oil. This is a leave-in conditioner, and we're going to spray it, you know, spray my hair with it, you know, coat it generously as I did with the argan oil serum as well, because I've got a bit of a dry hair. So when I use these serums, it, you know, eliminates the dryness, you know, in my hair. And then I'm putting castor oil, you know, to you know, promote growth of my hair, because I want my hair to be nice and long, you know, nice and long. And I'm gonna comb it through with a white tooth comb. Look at that, it's very soft at this point. And look at this, guys, look at how short my puff looks compared to how it looked when I took out my cornrow earlier. I'm gonna show you guys now. Look at this, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. But it looks so nice and defined, very nice and soft. Oh, love it. Okay, so now I decided to share a few styling options with you guys, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and once again part my hair into 4 sections, all right? And I mainly do this on days that I feel like, okay, let me rock my natural hair, which is not all the time because I like to keep my natural hair. And now we lost another nail. Oh, look at my scalp, looking like a baby's bottom. Oof. Okay, so now this is a Cream of Nature Butterlicious curling butter. I'm just applying this into the tip of my hair, and I'm going to do I'm going to attempt to do a 3-strand twist, just kind of, you know, define the curls a little bit more, you know, and I'm going to do this to each section of the hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and transform. Look at that, makeup is on my face, and I actually tied scarf, you know, on the hair. And I just waited for it to get coated into the hair a little bit more. This wasn't overnight. This was the same night or whatever. But sometimes, like if I wanted to, I would just leave it overnight so that way it dries. But I didn't have time for it. Okay, so just imagine it's dried at this point. Okay, and I'm putting bandana around the perimeter of my head, and I'm just gonna push the bandana up and up and up and up until I get to a high puff. And this is my first style. Okay, and if I want to lay my edges, I'd go ahead and do it with a got2b gel and a toothbrush. You know, fancy schmancy. I'm not really good at edges, but I always try. There you go. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, girl. Ooh, giving you shoulder, girl. Ooh, we're giving you sunglasses, girl. Ooh, who do you think you are? Look at you. Look at Esther. Me be fancy, girl. And this is another style. I'm sorry I didn't. You know, I was just having fun, and I don't think I recorded it, but. You know, yeah. But this is reality. This is where I look like when I'm going to bed. I just put the hair in cornrow and I go to bed. And because I wear wigs majority of the time, this is where it's at, okay? This is life, people. Life, okay? But anyway, thank you. Thank you so much for watching, babes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Whatever you're doing to love yourself. I'll see you in my very next video. Adios. Bye.